Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to install Norton Security on your mobile device in Android. If you purchase Norton Security Deluxe or Premium, you can install it on multiple devices, including mobile phones. So let me show you how. I'm using Windows 10 here, so click on the system tray icon in the taskbar below, and then click on the Norton Security icon. You will see the dialog box pop up. Click on the More Norton section, and then choose Add Devices. It will start connecting to the Norton server and then bring you to the dialog box. As you can see, you can install Norton Security on different types of devices. Enter your email address in this box and then click the Send button. It will then send you the download link. I'm installing Norton Security on my Android phone, so I'll access my email messages. And here is the email message I received with the download link. Let me open it and then scroll down. Here is the download button. It will redirect me to download the mobile version. I'm using an older version of Android here. Your app icon will look something like this one, but the process should be similar. Now, if you already have the Norton Security app installed, open the Google Play Store app. Click on the hamburger icon. Choose My Apps and Games. Go to the Install tab. Scroll down to the Norton Security app and then click Open. If your subscription has expired, you'll see this notification and you can click the Renew link. If not, click on the hamburger icon and here you should find the Renew button. You'll need to sign in, and that's pretty much it. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. And thanks for watching.